For weeks, life in Wuhan was edging back towards normal. But now, almost a month after the lockdown was lifted, 6 new cases. They're centered around a housing development with 5 patients displaying no symptoms. So officials are planning swift action, an unprecedented effort to potentially test all 11 million Wuhan residents in 10 days. It's not clear how they'll do it. In South Korea, they're tracking more than 100 new cases using cell phone data, credit card statements, even security camera footage to find people who may be infected. South Korean President Moon Jae-in told the country that it can't hesitate in the face of crisis.
Resurgences were always to be expected, first of all. The virus still exists in the population, so it was always going to manifest in some way or another.
Experts say the ability to test on a massive scale, as well as find and isolate potential positives, is key to preventing a second wave.
I don't know if we have that capacity here in Canada yet. So we have to look to that as an opportunity to build the infrastructure to allow us to do that contact tracing.
Those efforts are lagging in parts of Canada and the U.S., even as states begin to reopen.
We have way over-politicized how we approach COVID, and it's impairing our ability to do what needs to be done.
But the kind of testing and tracing seen in Wuhan and South Korea requires massive amounts of personal information and public buy-in, something that may be a challenge in North America.
So what we're going to see now is the balancing act between the need to preserve civil liberties and freedoms against the need to have somewhat authoritarian controls over our movements and individual information to prevent outbreaks.
With other outbreaks popping up elsewhere in China, the situation offers a glimpse into the new normal, where a return to lockdowns is never far away. Stephen D'Souza, CBC News, Toronto.